Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to solve the problem of phone number cannot be used by iMessage on FaceTime. So without further ado, let's get started. So if your phone number cannot be used by iMessage or FaceTime and the arrow keeps on popping in your iPhone, then this video is for you. It'll generally show up in your sign-in and security when you click on it and your phone number cannot be used as an iMessage or FaceTime. So for this problem, what you want to do is go to General and software update and see if you have any software updates available. As you can see, it's checking for mine and I have an software update available, so just update now or update tonight. You can also see on about and your iOS version and if your iOS version needs any updating or not, so this can be a simple solution as well. The next thing what you can do is go to your date and time and see if your time zone is correctly placed, since this also can be the reason of your phone number format not matching your time zone. And the next thing what you can do is go down and shut down your iPhone and reset all network settings. So these are the steps that you can take if your phone number can't be accessed by iMessages and FaceTime. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any more suggestions, then please leave it on the drop box below. And if you have any more concerns about this problem, leave it on the comment box below and I'll be sure to reply to all of them. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you in the next one.